Alhamdulillah, we're here with our brother Saad. We just met the brother just standing in the street waiting for a taxi. And this is the akhuwa, the brotherhood in Islam. That, alhamdulillah, he just offered to take us. How is the effect of the da'wah videos on the youth, shabab here?
You can't imagine the effect here. We're brothers inside the family. We're all watching videos. We've started actually by watching videos of, speakers Quran. Then we watch your videos, Sheikh عنوان. And we see the effect. We were born Muslim, but we lack of knowledge actually. When you're sure about your faith, you can practice as a culture, especially in these circumstances around the world. I say Islam كلما حاربوه اشتد.
Subhanallah.
The world is trying to eliminate Islam. But subhanallah, as long as they're doing this, Islam is getting stronger.
Stronger, yeah.
And we're beating them by their own weapons.
The social media.
Yeah, subhanallah.
Great team.